Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back or to my channel. If you are new here, I thank you so much for clicking on that thumbnail and joining me today. I do hope you will consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so today's video, I haven't done this kind of video in quite a while. It's been a few months. So I am back today with another brown sugar box unboxing. This is a subscription box and it is black owned by two wonderful ladies named Izzy and Liv. So here is what the box looks like. And I love their tagline of culture, confidence, and soul. Delivered. Love that. So let's just go ahead and dive right into the contents of the box. So this box is for the month of April, and they always include a nice little cute magazine inside every box. It has some really nice subjects and topics included in the magazine. It also lists all of the things that could be included in your box. So it looks like this is an anniversary box. It says Brown Sugar Box is 4 years old. Congratulations to Izzy and Liv for going 4 years strong with the Brown Sugar Box. So in this edition, they have included Brown Sugar Dreams Come True. If you don't celebrate you, who will? Hello. Facts. It also includes some of our favorite brown sugar boxes over the years. And they've also included a Like Fine Wine playlist. So it's a celebration. As it says right here, it's a celebration. Love it. Now before I dive into the box, if you are interested in this braided wig that I'm wearing, yes, it's a braided wig. I just reviewed her and I'll be sure to list the link of this review plus giveaway, it was a giveaway, down in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. Alright, so now on to the contents of this month's brown sugar box. So the first thing I pull out is they actually included a little Black Girls Winning Scratch and Win. They got a little scratch off up in here. Yeah, that's alright. And they got a little rules on the back. Must be a subscriber of the adult subscription for April to claim your prize. And they must be claimed by April 30th. So I'm going to scratch this off at the end. But I'm going to go through the box right now. Alright, so every month they include a nice, beautiful, usually a beautiful t-shirt in the brown sugar box. And let's see what this month's t-shirt is looking like. Oh, we got a tank top. I must have selected that because I always think to myself, I don't always want a t-shirt. Like, I'm a tank top chick. For real, for real. I love wearing tank tops. And this is a tank top. I'm like super happy about that. And it just has the Izzy and Liv. It just has L and I on here. So that's what this month's shirt is. I just love the fact that it's a tank top, especially now that it's getting warmer. All right, cute. So let's mosey on. So the next thing I'm picking up is a Shine Bright Like a Diamond ceramic jewelry dish. Let's see what lands around. That's what the box looks like. So let's see. Oh, super cute. Ooh, can I get it out? Okay, here we go. Gotta be smarter than the equipment. As my husband always says, you gotta be smarter than the equipment. Oh, super cute. Look at that. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Love that. Oh, this is really pretty. So this is actually one of 4 designs to choose from if you were to actually go to the website and make your own selection. So they have Hello Gorgeous, Brown Sugar Bling, the Shine Bright Like a Diamond that I have, and Beauty Radiance Strength. Beautiful. And these are retailed at $15, which is not bad. Very nice. I like this a lot. This is definitely going on my dresser. Yep. Now I failed to mention the price of the cami or tank top, whatever you want to call it. And it's actually called Stay Fly Cami, and it's retailed at $15. And I have mine in a size large. All right, so on to the next item. And we got, I don't know what it is, but it got Izzy and Liz's name on the box. Let's see what we got. Oh, these are earrings. Oh, so cute. I know y'all like, could you show us, please? Okay, 1 second. One here came out the little slot. But it's like a little row of earring options. Super, I love them all. It's a butterfly, like a burst, a star burst, some crowns. Like when I tell y'all, I am a huge fan of crowns because I believe I am a queen. I believe everybody, like my whole family, we're all queen, king, princess, and princess. Like that's just what I believe. So I believe in this crown. Then we got the Africa continent. And they got a little pair of ankh. Like these are super cute. Now they have them on days of the week. I probably won't necessarily go by the days of the week because that's just not what I do. When I feel like wearing them, that's just what I'm going to wear because I love them all. I really do. These are super cute. These will be worn for sure. So this product is actually called Twinkle Twinkle 5-piece gold or silver plated earring set. I'm so glad I got silver. And it is one of 4 sets between the gold and silver. So they have the same set in gold, and then they have a completely different set in gold and silver. And I think the only difference is it's like a word that I cannot really see, unfortunately. I am blind as a bat. I can't tell what that says. Oh, maybe it says queen. I think it says queen. And it's just a word, the word queen. So that's the only real difference, and it swaps out with the ankh earring. So there's a difference. All right, on to the next. Let's see what we got here. I gotta cut into this one. This is like wrapped up. Make a lot of noise, make a lot of noise. Make a lot of noise, make a lot of noise. What's that movie reference? Make a lot of noise, make a lot of noise. My favorite movie, Life. Bernie Mac was like, make a lot of noise, make a lot of noise. Alright, I digress. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm such a movie buff. So this is Peach Empress Shower Gel. You know, the last time I got excited about one of their boxes because they had so many nicely fragrant items in it. Like, I was super excited about that box. And this is probably like a whole year ago. But now I feel like I got, okay, good. Izzy and Lynn, thank y'all for bringing back something that smells good. So, of course, I'm going to sit here and smell it because I like my smells. I was trying to smell it without having to take out the little plastic thing, but I can't, so I gotta take it out. Ooh, don't make a mess. Okay, that smells good. Alright, that smells really good. Now, you know, I am one of those women that just have my preference of body wash and shower gel, so I'll probably give this to my daughter. Yeah, I don't really venture off into different shower gels, but she does, so. Well, an 18-year-old daughter can have this, but it smells good. It really smells great. All right, y'all. So last but not least, we have a script kimono waist tie, and it's a one size fits all, apparently. So let's just see. Cute little baggie. Is there something else in here? Okay, no. Oh, well, look at that with all the... Okay, look, I'm about to show you. I want to see what these words are. Oh, it says Black Queen, beautiful, black, powerful. Look at that. Black Queen, wonderful, black, Black Queen, beautiful, powerful. Like, oh, so powerful and inspiring. Let me show y'all this. All the way. Super cute little kimono. And I gotta put it all the way on for y'all, as I'm repping my straight out of the DMV shirt. Is there a tie? I feel like a tie is missing. So I just like went searching all through the box and the packaging. I feel like there's supposed to be a tie, but I didn't get a tie. Even though this is super cute, I'm missing a tie, which is unfortunate. That sucks. Because according to the picture in the book, they all have a little tie, and mine didn't come with a tie. You know, I ain't gonna cry with spoiled milk. You know, it is what it is. So the one that I have is the Melanin Love Language, but there are a total of 8 different options. Purple Bliss, Indigo Goddess. Oh my God, I would love that. It has my like indigo blue, royal blues close. Oh, I love that. Tribal Angles, Island Empress, Darling Diva, Patchwork Queen, and Animal Instincts. And here are all the little images of that one. And as you can see, the retail price is $45. But I hope if you actually purchase it, that you have a belt that comes with it, because according to this picture, a belt is supposed to be with it. And mine is not. I think they just forgot. I'm not going to hold it against them. You know, I don't hold a grudge. I'm not really good at holding grudges, so I'm going to move on. Alright, so this was actually the last item. I'm going to go ahead and come on out of this. But that's really it, y'all. Like, I actually feel like all of the items in this box will be used. So, I appreciate that. I'm glad. I like this box. I ain't gonna say I always like the box, but I actually like this month. And the fact that it's their anniversary is super cool and special. Happy anniversary once again to Izzy and Liv for the brown sugar box. And thanks to these ladies for actually sending me this month's box and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly appreciate it. Absolutely love all the items in the box. So, as I mentioned before, this is a monthly subscription, and the cost of this subscription box is $39.99. Now, you don't always have to do every month. There was a period of time where I was on every other month. I mean, you know, it's according to your pockets and your interests. I mean, I feel like they really do have some nice cultured items most of the time, majority of the time. I really do enjoy a lot of their products. So if you feel like, I personally feel like I have like product overload sometimes. So that's why I was on every other month. But if you're somebody that like wants all those products every single month, go for it, because I feel like they're very nice and cultured for us. Alright, so as always, I'll be sure to leave all of the information down in the description box below in case you're interested in checking out Izzy and Liv's with their The Brown Sugar box. Oh, I almost forgot, y'all. I need to do this little scratch off, huh? So I'm gonna scratch this off real quick and see if we won anything. I'm not normally a scratch off chick, but hey, let's be a scratch off today. Let's see if we won anything. I know so many people really love scratch offs. I'm just not normally one of them people, but I will definitely appreciate it today and see what happens. Ooh, they're messy. And it says, yay, you win 10% off. So, you know, I like to help my fellow viewers, so any discount codes that I get, you will get. So I'll include all of that in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out if you want to purchase something from the Brown Sugar box. Well, I thank you wonderful people for rocking with me this video. I truly appreciate it. Thank you. If you made it this far, go ahead and leave me a little crown. Yes, leave me that crown emoji down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end of the video, and I truly appreciate you for that, Shug Muffin. Thanks again to Izzy and Liv with the Brown Sugar box. I thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you wonderful people in the next video. Bye, y'all.